Let me introduce you to my LoDrid Teacher Bag, which I've been using for about 3 years now as a substitute teacher. This bag has been reliable for the last 3 years as a substitute teacher. It holds my water bottle, holds little bots and bibs in the front. My badge goes here. There's this really cool zipper pocket that I don't use a lot, but a regular teacher might, where you can put folders and things in there. It handles my purse, my lunchbox, a binder, my laptop, my reward stickers, and also it holds memories. Little things like this saying best sub. But it's a really great bag. This is like seatbelt material, very good quality. This is waterproof, not waterproof, but maybe water resistant. And it's very thick, very durable canvas. I mean, this is the bottom. Look at the bottom. This is like 3 years of use, and the bottom, it actually looks pretty clean also, and I don't clean it, so really good quality. And if you need a bag like this, whether you're a teacher or a crafter or whatever, I really highly recommend this particular bag.